Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add a GIF background in Google Chrome. If you are tired of the default background and want to customize your browser with an animated touch, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By default, Chrome only allows you to set static images as your background, but with a few tricks we can add a moving GIF to make your browsing experience more exciting. Let's start with the first method. Using Chrome's built-in customization options, open a new tab and click on the small pencil icon in the bottom right. This will open the Customize This Page menu. Here you will see several customization options, including background. Click on it to view Chrome's available backgrounds. Unfortunately, GIFs aren't supported directly, but we will use a simple workaround. Now let's move to the second method, using a custom HTML file. This is a more advanced method, but offers complete control over your background. First, create a new folder on your computer. Inside this folder, create a new file and name it background.html. Right-click the file and open it with a text editor like Notepad. Now paste the following simple HTML code inside. Doc type HTML head style body background URL gif.gif no repeat center fixed background size cover style head body HTML. Replace quote gif.gif quote with the actual path of your GIF file. Save the file as index.html and double-click to open it in Chrome. You will see the GIF running as your background. Copy the path in the address bar to make Chrome use this file. Every time you open a new tab, you will need another extension called New Tab Redirect. Go to Chrome Web Store and search for New Tab Redirect. Install it and open the extension options. Set the redirect URL to the location of your background.html file, which is the copied path from the address bar. After that, go to Manage Extensions and enable Allow Access to File URLs. Once you apply the settings, open a new tab and your GIF background should load automatically. This method is great if you want a fully customized setup without relying on third-party extensions. If you ever want to switch back to the default Chrome background, simply disable or remove the extension from Chrome Extensions, or reset settings in the Customize This Page menu. To remove the extension, open the three-dot menu in Chrome, click on Extensions in the left-hand side menu. Search for the extension, click Remove, and confirm by clicking Remove again. Now you should have your old background back. If you prefer using an extension, search in the Chrome Web Store for animated or moving backgrounds. Click the extension you want, check its reviews, install it, and go to its options or settings to choose your background. And that's it. Now you know multiple ways to set a GIF as your Google Chrome background, whether you prefer using an extension or creating your own custom page. You can easily make Chrome look unique and fun. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful guides. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.